Hey guys, welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. I just want to say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my subscribers, all my viewers, all my supporters from day one. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make sorrel ice cream. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. All that I'll be using to prepare my sorrel ice cream will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all that I'll be using to make my sorrel ice cream. You're gonna need some red food coloring. You're gonna need some cinnamon powder. You're gonna need a tin of condensed milk. You're gonna need 1 nutmeg. You're gonna need 2 cups of double cream. You're gonna need some vanilla essence. You're gonna need 1 cup of sorrel puree. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of raisin that I have been soaking in some red label wine. All the measurement for my ingredients will be listed in the description box. Now guys, you're gonna get yourself a basin and also your mixer where you're gonna mix your double cream in. Now I'm just gonna pour my cream inside of my basin now. Just like that, guys. Make sure you get all everything. Now I'm gonna pour the next one in. Just like that. Now I'm going in with about 1/4 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. Yes, guys. Also, I'm going in with my can of condensed milk. Guys. Now I'm just going to grate my nutmeg into this now. I'm using half of my nutmeg. Yes, guys, I want to be careful when you grate in your nutmeg. You don't want to scrape up your finger. I'm going to grate up, guys. That's about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg that I put in there. Now I'm just gonna go in with my vanilla. I'm using about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm going in with 2 teaspoons, guys. Just like that. Now I'm just going to mix this now for about 5 minutes. I'm going to get right back to you guys. Now guys, here you have it. This is how you want your cream, your double cream to be. Guys, look at that. Texture is all thick. Guys, that's how you want it for that 5 minutes of mixing it with your mixer. That's how you want your cream to be, guys. Now I'm going in with my sorrel puree. Yes, guys. Just want to add that in there now. All of that puree from out of this container. Guys. Now I'm just gonna mix this again for about the next 3 minutes and I'll get right back to you guys. have it, guys. After the 3 minutes of mixing your sorrel puree into your double cream, yes guys, this is where you're gonna add that red food coloring to it now, guys, to give it that red look. I know it's looking a bit pinkish, light pink. But now you're gonna add your red food coloring. I'm adding half teaspoon of my red food coloring. Guys, I'm going in the next half again. That's about a teaspoon. Now I'm just gonna give this a mix for about the next 2 minutes. That's the mixing of food coloring. Now here you have it, guys. After that 2 minutes of mixing in your red food coloring, so it's gonna be looking like, guys, just like that. Now I'm just going in with my raisin. This, guys, I've poured a cup of raisin with that red label and soaking it. Now I'm just gonna mix that in. Now there you have it, guys. That's how you want to mix up your raisin into your double cream. Yes, guys. Now I'm just going to clean down the side of my spatula. Yes, guys. Let's give it a taste and see what it's tasting like, guys. Wow, perfect. Yes, guys. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Looking amazing, guys, and tasting so nice. Smelling so wonderful, guys. I'm going to put this on the fridge now, in the freezer. Now, guys, you want to get yourself a plastic container where you'll be storing your ice cream in. Yes, guys. Just gonna pour out my ice cream into my basin where I'll be storing it in. Yes, guys, just like that. Beautiful, guys. I'm telling you the truth, it's tasting so nice, guys. I tasted it a while ago. I'm telling you, it's magnificent, guys. Guys, you're gonna leave this in your freezer for about 10 to 11 hours. Yes, guys. You want to make sure it freezes properly to form that lovely ice cream. Look at that, guys. Wow, this sorrel ice cream, guys. I'm telling you, second time making it. Yes, guys, and I'm telling you, it's tasting so nice. Look at that now, guys. There you have it, guys. Like that. I'm just gonna cover this up. Put this in the fridge now, guys, as I've told you before, for about 11 hours. Yes, guys. That's how you want to make your sorrel ice cream with all those lovely ingredients that I show you, especially the double cream, your vanilla, your cinnamon, and that red food coloring. Yes, guys, and also your raisin to top it off. Now, guys, I just want to say thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this sorrel ice cream when you give it a try at home. Yes, guys, it's perfect to serve on the dinner table after you finish having your dinner. Yes, guys, perfect dessert for you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.